Rafy and I are walking along the
Spandauer
Schiffer's Canal. That's right. And we're walking along this beautiful street. Wow. What a lovely day. That's very cool. Social distancing. This is very nice. Oh yeah. Wow. Never seen Berlin Hauptbahnhof before. It's very modern. Wow. This is very nice. It looks so peaceful. Oh yes, it sure is huge. It's very huge. All kinds of.
Okay, this is my favorite place. So this is perfect for social distancing here.
Oh, that's right.
Perfect. The nickname is the pregnant oyster.
Which one?
The nickname for this is called the pregnant oyster.
Why?
I don't know.
Oh,
I thought it looked like a pregnant oyster.
it really looks like it's a big vessel. I didn't think it's nice until I saw the front part of the vessel. So this is where the president of Deutschland lives, Bellevue. Do you think it's a nice view? It's not
Nicer
bad.
to look at it.
Yeah, and
It's right in the middle of Tiergarten.
and it's 5 to 4. Yay, we reached it. Lovely. Okay. I like this bridge too. Waterway tool. we just followed the canal and we actually arrived in President's house. Really cool. $18.80.
In the dumpster, and the nails and the boards,
Yeah?
they were
Alright, that made the day.